We are disappointed and deeply shocked by this judgment. Of course, this judgment is made by the apex court in the country, but we are terribly shattered by this judgment. We think it has been inconsistent with many issues that were referred at this level. We should not have reached this level. There's been a lot of falsifications that have reached this level, whether it's the issue about victim-offender dialogue, which has not been properly done, and we have demonstrated this, how Janusz Walus' legal team tried to falsify this process, and all of that have not been considered. But we thought the Court of Appeal had initially considered these factors. But I think one may say that justice has given birth to injustice today, and this is our history. Unfortunately, the midwives of democracy and justice in this country have become the victims of it.
I want to go to the judgment itself because it paints a picture of the nature of the crime that Janusz Walus actually made and the sentencing remarks, but saying that the Minister of Correctional Services, Ronald Damula, was agreed that he should be released on parole, meaning that Janusz Walus met everything else, but except for these two hindrances, per se.
He didn't meet anything. What did he meet? He didn't meet anything. In fact, in jail, Janusz Walus even attacked other prisoners. One prisoner has even a picture of Nelson Mandela. He attacked it. How's that remorseful? How's that been reconstructed? He did it. And we have proven that to court throughout the trial process. So all of that have not been considered here.
And you feel that the court in itself had let all of these particular issues that you say Janusz Walus was not remorseful, and they made a decision contrary to what not only the SACP but as well as the Hani family believes?
Yeah, of course. We fully share the concern by the Hani family in this regard, because all those matters have not been considered. And we have put these matters all the time in the court process. And because Janusz Walus was not inseparable from Clive W. Lewis, who actually, after he was released by medical parole, put a video that is now in public, and I think you media must play it. He said he will do it again. The court doesn't consider that, because they now make this a separate issue. When the judge himself, Justice Zondo, indicated that the relationship of these matters were immutable. But when it comes to the judgment and the actions of these two individuals, they are mutable.
What is the way forward now from the SACP?
I want to get a reaction from the chairperson.
I don't think that we should move towards that aspect, the issue that where the apex court has made the ruling. Yeah.
So I didn't get that, GS, you were saying?
I'm saying let's accept the outcome of the apex court with the injustice that it has meted to us. And I think that, like Sis Dimpo was indicating, we have to accept that justice, as is meted out in South Africa today, is not justice of the people. And I think we need to reach a stage where the people can enjoy their true freedom, the sacrifices of people like Comrade Hani and others, that the people can on a daily basis live those sacrifices, not to be confronted with injustices after another using the platform of justice. That's why we've said an injustice has occurred today through justice.